Typical day for me is there's a lot of email marketing, there's photographing new products, new magnets that come in, there is lots of fun social media content that we shoot. My name is Claudia, I'm the graphic designer at AMF and I've been here for nearly 10 years. The best thing about working at AMF is because I've been here for so long, I've seen the business grow from like this big to this big, and it's been amazing to watch, but also feel like I'm a part of its growth. It's been very rewarding.
My name is Drew Spence. I'm the operations manager here at AMF Magnetics. I've been with the company for about 2.5 years now. So the best thing working here at AMF Magnetics for me is the team. Everyone's lovely and gets along really well, and they have a great attitude and just gets the job done.
My name is Anthony and I work at AMF Magnetics as a logistics coordinator for 5.5 years. We have a few clients across Australia that work in the mines, and they use our pop magnets to run cables through from top to bottom. The most interesting magnet project I've got to work on is using magnets in medical masks and surgical masks across hospitals and medical centres.
My name's Andrew. I'm a picker packer here, and I've been working here like off and on for years, pretty much when I just finished school, and maybe a little bit earlier than that too. Best thing is definitely the family culture that we have, and also working with my family here.
My name's Jo. I've been with AMF Magnetics for just over 5 years. I mainly look at the operations side of things, but obviously I do a little bit of everything around here. I don't think it makes a difference working with family or not working with family here, because whether you're family or not, everyone's equally devoted to what they do. We're all loyal employees, we all do the right thing, and we all want to make sure we have the common goal of making sure that everything gets done properly. Family or no family, we're all one.